This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shirley Wayne. Welcome to this immaculate one-owner home located in a desirable golf course community with maintenance-free living. This home boasts a very open floor plan with all living spaces conveniently located on one floor, making it perfect for easy and accessible living. As you step inside, you will be greeted by a bright and airy sunroom, perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee or relaxing with a book. The spacious eat and kitchen features plenty of cabinets for all your storage needs and is the ideal place for cooking and entertaining. This home also features an attached one-car garage, providing convenient access to your vehicle and additional storage space. Low-maintenance living, this home is perfect for those seeking a peaceful and relaxing lifestyle. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this immaculate one-owner home your own. Schedule a showing today and see all that this home has to offer. For more information, review the details below.